Hey everybody, Dr. Bacon from East Cobb Spine Sport Chiropractic. I'm sitting here with
Michael?
Michael. So what were you just saying? So listen, Michael, have you been to a chiropractor before us?
Yeah, only twice.
Yeah?
Back in Canada.
Yep, in Canada. They have chiropractors in Canada?
Yes, it
That's
is.
nice. Good. I'm
Yeah.
just kidding. That's a joke. If they didn't know, that's just a joke. So, okay, so they have chiropractors in Canada. So let me ask you. You started coming in here. You were dragged in here, kicking and screaming. Probably you weren't really happy to come in. No, I'm just kidding. You probably enjoyed it, right?
No, I was happy.
So we had some things going on, right? We had some what? Some thumb
Yeah,
pain?
my thumb could barely move because it was sort of jammed, and came in here September, October, and
Yeah.
now it's much better.
Yeah, moving just
Yeah.
fine. And you were saying something about sleep too. It was bothering you when you went to bed at night?
Yeah, especially when in sleep, and towards the when I was getting better, it would only bother me during the night. But now it's okay even during the night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Are we doing something special like only thumb maneuver, or are we taking care of the whole body all the way through every time?
Taking the whole body.
Yeah. Pretty neat, right?
Yeah.
Is that different than the chiropractor you had up in Canada?
Yes, slightly different.
A little bit different? Right on. Well, good. Well, hey, listen, we appreciate the time. Guys, this is just Dr. Bacon with a little bacon bit, and we're hanging out here, Michael and I. So appreciate you guys paying attention. We'll talk to you guys again soon. Thanks.
Thank you. See you soon.